This might be one of the most beautiful riverfronts in America, and it's hiding right in the middle of Texas. Today we are exploring San Antonio's famous river walk, visiting the legendary Alamo, and going out in hill country with friends. We're back. We're back in Texas. Truck's good. RV's good. Everything's good.
I'm so excited. All right, we're ready to pull her out. Looking good. You got it. Ooh, she just fit in there. So nice. Good job.
We're off.
We're off. Good job.
Yep.
Are you happy to be on the road again?
Yep. Yesterday, London. Today, Texas.
If you've been following along, you know we spent the past several months exploring Europe. That adventure turned into 25 incredible videos packed with castles, historic cities, and unforgettable landscapes. So if you missed those, be sure to check out our playlist.
We're not in Europe anymore. We're in San Antonio at the Riverwalk.
This is really a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. How
Isn't
about
it?
you? Happy camper.
I am so happy.
Look at
My
that.
beloved cappuccino.
Yeah.
The Riverwalk stretches for about 15 miles, lined with restaurants, shops, hotels, and shady walkways that wind along the San Antonio River. It's lively, colorful, and full of energy.
An interesting fact, this iconic area started as a flood control project in the 1930s. Today, it's one of the most visited attractions in Texas.
Here every single year from all over the world, and we are now the seventh largest city in the United States, second largest in Texas, right after Houston. We're bigger than Dallas, bigger than Austin, better than Houston.
Originally built in the 1700s as a Spanish mission, the Alamo became the site of the Battle of the Alamo in 1836 during the Texas Revolution.
Right next door to the Alamo is another historic spot, the Menger Hotel and Bar. It opened in 1887, and the bar was designed to resemble the famous House of Lords pub in London.
Thank you so much. Thank you, folks. Enjoy your trip.
We're at We Be Jammin', and we just got
Salsa and 2 jams. One was Texas Bar Fight and one Wild Cherry.
a huge thank you to our wonderful friends, Steve and Lisa, who kept an eye on our Airstream while we were gone.
We're the SilverVagabonds, traveling slower, seeing deeper. Until next time, stay curious and keep wandering.